Thank you for purchasing the wedding deck templates. I hope you enjoy using it and that it helps you communicate your services, pricing and packages with confidence. This template is designed exclusively for Apple Keynote, so make sure you have Keynote installed before moving on. It's free, which is nice. Once you've downloaded the templates, you'll find 3 folders: Originals, Templates and Tutorial. In the Originals and Templates folders, you'll notice the same files. I'll quickly explain why. To make sure you don't accidentally overwrite the master file, it's important to always keep a clean copy. And that's why I created the Originals folder. The files in the Templates folder are the ones you should actually work on. Now I'll take you step by step through the deck and show you how to customize it. The different pages. This template includes all the pages you need to create a complete wedding deck. Each template is easy customizable with different layout options. And to edit the pages, we have to go to the right bottom and click on Edit Slide Layout. How to add and adjust images. Adding images is super easy. First, you have to create stills from your work and put them in a folder to keep everything organized. To insert an image, simply drag and drop it onto the black placeholder. When you're happy with the position, press enter. If you want to change it later, just double click the image and make some adjustments. How to add a dynamic link to an image. You can create a dynamic link to a web page by selecting an image, choose add link, click on web page and paste your URL. Always test the link to make sure that it works properly. This works not only for your work, so for your wedding films, but it can also work for a personal brand videos. So you can also go to your introduction page and there add a video where you explain more about who you are and your vision, for example. Customizing text. All text boxes in the template are fully movable, so you can place them anywhere. To edit the text, simply double click a text box and start typing. If you want to reposition texts, then right click and choose Ungroup. Now you can drag each text box separately. Once you're happy with the new layout, select everything and choose Group again. Besides that, you can easily adjust the packages to match the services you offer. For example, pricing per hour or pricing per the amount of days. Just double click to edit. Once you've created all the pages, it's time to build the deck. To add a new slide, right click in the slide panel on the left hand side of the screen and select New Slide. Then choose the layout you want. You can of course play around with the order of the deck with images and quotes to keep the deck dynamic and visually engaging, while showcasing your work and vision creatively. If you need to reorder slides, simply drag them into place. Exporting your deck. When you're finished, you can export your deck. Keep in mind that the file size might be large. If needed, use an online PDF compressor to reduce the size. And congratulations, you've now built your own wedding deck. This tool will help you to clearly communicate the pricing and packages to your couples. Thank you so much for purchasing our wedding deck templates. I hope you enjoy using yours. We'll see you next time.